Akshan Taak and no one bag of mouth.
Welcome everybody. My name is Shani Francis.
My name is Anif Campbell. This is a TV for we in the Jamaican language and the program Akshan Taak.
Where the news say about the Olympic Games.
The Observer newspaper the one special upon the Olympics on the 29th of August 2008. Them write one article, the best Olympics in Jamaica ever. Them said this year Olympics, the 29th one we just done, are the best one where Jamaica ever have. The Olympics happen every 4 years. This Olympics make the 16th one where Jamaica take part in. Everybody knows that the Olympics are the highest competition for sports in the world.
We send 49 athletes to Beijing. They performing at the National Stadium in China, where them call the Budness. They won 11 medals overall. And the Observer say, just in case you they asleep this last couple of weeks, they are going to make you know what the medal count look like. 6 gold, 3 silver, and 2 bronze. The count for the year far past what we ever win since we first started take part in the Olympics in 1948 in London. Since then, we collect 53 medals overall, 13 gold, 24 silver, and 6 bronze in a running, throwing and jumping, and in a bicycle riding.
Over 21 athletes from Jamaica make the final in a FIDEM event. And when you talk about the man where Glenn Mills train, the one Usain Bolt, well, him at the top of top. Him one bring back 3 gold medals, 1 for the 100 meter, 1 in at the 200 meter, and 1 in at the 4x4 relay. And he broke the world record for all 3 races. Nobody before him, no matter which country them come from, never win 3 gold medals and broke world records said time.
Well, it looked like the whole Jamaica team make up their mind to try copy what Bolt do. Keran takes silver in the 100 meter and bronze in the 200 meter for women. Sherika Williams wins silver in the 400 meter and bronze in the 400 meter relay. As for Melanie Walker in the 400 meter hurdle, Veronica Campbell Brown in the 200 meter, and Shelly Ann Fraser have beer gold collect. Melanie Walker, she broke the Olympic record when she win fair race. Fraser, she make history when she clocked 10.78 seconds to win the gold and to lead the other 2 Jamaican women them in the race, Sharon Simpson and Karen Stewart, to clean up all the medal them, 2 silver when them tied for 2nd place, Jamaica 1st, 2nd and 2nd. And Veronica Campbell Brown, she keep fair 200 meter title when she run faster than she ever run in her life, 21.74 seconds. When you look pan where Jamaica come, pan the list of country in the athletics ranking, a USA first, Russia 2nd, and Jamaican in a 3rd position.
Kupani. But what make athlete from Lake Jamaica can push up themselves amongst big country with 200 million people and more, like US and Russia? You think say the yam over yam? Here where African from go local Jamaican community have to say about that on August 25th. All of a sudden, everybody in a Beijing want to know what make the Jamaican them so fast. Them not fail no drug test, so it have to be the same thing with them yam. And a yam get the praise. As according to the Gleaner on August 28th, when Shelly Ann Fraser do her interview with BBC after she win the 100 meter race, she said,
Jamaica all the way, you know? A lot of yam, banana, and dumplings produce top 3.
And the one lightning bolt, him love them food there too. The star that come on September 2 talk about the yam. Some people want to steroid the in of the yam, but everybody knows the yam mostly have starch with enough vitamin, mineral and even a little bit of protein. As according to a local Jamaica community say, Trelawney have 60% of the yam we grow in a Jamaica. Once both win, you couldn't get 1 piece of yam to buy in a Sherwood content in a Trelawney where him come from. People from all over Jamaica come buy them out. Mr. William Green, one old farmer from the area, said, "Me no have hand for sell, sir. Everything sell off."
But we don't know it for the food. Jamaica not the only place in the world where people eat yam. So some people on the internet say Jamaican run fast cause it in them blood. Then get it from their mother and their father. That's what the Jamaica Gleaner online for July 8 say. They write about one study when the University of the West Indies and the University of Glasgow do. Them test 200 athletes from Jamaica and then find say them have muscle we can draw and then shut out fast. And that make the Jamaican them run so fast.
But one next article in a double genetic future on August 21 agree with that. From what the article said, even though 98% of Jamaicans have them quick move muscle there, 82% of white people in Europe have the same kind of muscle. More than that, when Usain Bolt go on the block to start the 100-meter race, everybody else by the dead side of him have the same quick move muscle like him. The article say you can't forget the training where the Jamaican runner them go through.
So, I know the food. I know the quick move muscle them. So then I mostly training. In the Gleaner August 28 special on the 2008 Olympics, we see say most of the runner them will get medal for Jamaica in this Olympics train right here in Jamaica. Stephen Francis and one of the top trainer in Jamaica, and him train Shelly and Fraser, and Sharon Simpson will get gold in the 100 meter. Melaine Walker will get gold in the 400 meter, and Asafa Powell, Michael Fraser, and Lester Carter will run in the 4x100 meter relay for man, will broke the world record. Francis run the MVP club, will train up at the University of Technology since 2001.
As for the one Usain Bolt, him train with the other top trainer in Jamaica, Glenn Mills. And which part you see him a train? Down at the Mona Bowl at the University of the West Indies. But some of the runner them still are trained in the US. But now at them we train a yard run things. But suppose another training. Them have good training at the US.
True.
So why make them not come through this time?
Well, I must say the Puma boot when you say where. As according to www.sportsjamaica.com, Puma make enough money from the shoes them sell after them sponsor the Jamaica team. And after Bolt win 3 gold medal and broke 3 world record. We hear say all in Jamaica Puma boot sell off like hot bread.
Or must say they dance.
Well,
The Gleaner for August 31 say Usain Bolt mother say ma have fun. Him dance the elephant man dance the Nolinga. When him a prepare to go in at the block to start the race. Nolinga mean to say, no waste time, not take long. And that make him run out of the starting block so fast. Him in a hurry, him no want linger.
or I must say the language. Well, in the Gleaner for August 31, we see one article we talk about the Olympic accent. It say, we love Usain Bolt and we don't want to say nothing bad about him. But the people them we advise him have to talk to him about him fake Yankee accent.
Him and some other Olympic athlete have to know say when them do interview for the media, them can keep for them Jamaica talk and still sound like them have sense.
But Annie Paul in a fear blog, HTTP Annie Paul activist, for August, take one different line. She say she thinks that a Patwa win the Olympics for Jamaica. The people them will win are the ordinary Jamaican them will use the Jamaican language, and them people them know English too tough. These are the raw Jamaica, and at them this put Jamaica on top. What the news about the Olympics? At that the news I say. This is Akshan Taak. The news is